Hello and welcome to Primo Trades. My name is Stephen Primo. I'm the president and founder of Specialist Trading. And in these brief educational presentations, I share with you different techniques, tips, and strategies that I've accumulated in my 45 years of trading, and then show you how simple it is to become a consistent trader by applying them on our PTS Primo Charting platform. Now, in today's educational video, I'm going to reveal a simple process that could have helped you successfully trade the stock DLO, regardless of the negative news that caused the price to fall over 50% in one day. But before we begin, let's start out with today's theme, and that's this. The market is continuously speaking, but only to those willing to listen. You see, we're always taught the opposite, to be listening to something outside of the market, like some guy on TV, someone in a chat room, some indicator we have no idea what it's based off of, or even someone on TV. But we're never taught to listen to the market. And in my over 4 decades of trading, I found that it's much simpler and much more consistent to base all of your trading simply off what the chart is telling you. So let me share with you the process that we teach on our PTS Primo Charting platform. The simple process that actually teaches you how to trade by listening to the market. Okay, so let's toggle over now onto the platform and let's share with you the stock DLO. All right, as we see, the stock was heading sideways to lower, not much happening until the other day where it fell and dropped from roughly 21, 22 all the way down to in the 10 mode. Okay, so how could we have at least protected ourselves from this major loss? Well, let's go through the process on our platform. The first thing we teach our students is to apply the buy-sell line. This is the 50-period moving average, but the way we show it is to tell us whether we should have a buyer's mindset or a seller's mindset. So we go to the left-hand corner here, click on buy-sell line, and let's look at the fluid version, okay? Now what this does is it paints anywhere below the 50-period moving average red. We call this the red sell zone. Anything above is blue, which is the blue buy zone. That means if you're in the blue buy zone, you should only be looking for buying opportunities. And obviously, when price is in the red sell zone, you should only be looking for selling opportunities. Now, every once in a while, you'll see it bounce above for a couple of closes above, but the rule of thumb is you need 3 to 5 closes above for it to be an overall uptrend. So therefore, we knew going back 3 months that we should be selling this stock or looking at it from a seller's perspective. So there's no way any of our students shouldn't have been long this stock. Therefore, you would have protected yourself from the major loss that happened this week. Now, let's say you're a more aggressive trader and you actually wanted to trade this stock. Well, you can apply some of our strategies. Let's say you only wanted to trade these high probability ones that were at higher levels, such as our steps. Well, as you can see, it was generating signals way before, okay? But let's say you're the type of trader that likes a lot of signals. Well, you could have tried strategy number 4 and seen that once you applied these strategies, well, it was generating signals to go short or to sell a day before it fell out of bed. Now, we not only teach you strategy signals, we also have a way to look at patterns. All right, now these are patterns that are not only traditional or conventional patterns, but also things that I've accumulated since my days of trading on the floor that you won't find anywhere else. For example, as we go up and look at our candlestick patterns, let's look at a standard bearish engulfing plus pattern. This is a different pattern that we teach you that you won't learn anywhere else except on the platform. And it was generating 2 sell patterns days, if not weeks before the stock fell out of bed. Now, many of our students say, well, Steve, I don't look at daily bars. I'm more of a swing trader. Okay, let's see if the same process could have helped us on a weekly chart. As we come over to this weekly chart here, we see that price once again going back 6 or 7 months was going sideways to a little bit lower until price fell out of bed here. We go through the exact same process. We apply the fluid buy sell line, and we see that going back all the way to the summer of 2022, price was in the sell zone. There was no way as an investor or a swing trader you should have been long this. And once again, if you wanted to apply strategy number 4, you could have seen that it was generating sell signals all along the way, even the day of the strong downward move. So this is how simple it is actually to see and trade a stock, whether it's going up on good news or whether it's going down on bad news. Remember, the process I just shared with you is what we teach all of our students once they become students of ours on the PTS Primo Charting platform. Now, as we conclude today's educational presentation, if you have any questions concerning our platform or all of the tips, techniques, and strategies that are provided on the platform, please contact Pro Trader Strategies. They're my sister site. They help me develop the platform, and they're in charge of all the tech support and all the pricing and discounts. I would highly recommend giving them a call at area code 310-598-6677, and they'd be happy to answer any question or give you a quote over the phone. As we take a look at our disclaimer, I just want to thank you for joining us today. I hope you learned something about the way we teach and the way we trade, but most especially, I look forward to all of you becoming students of mine at Specialist Trading. Thank you so much. I'll see you at the next Primo Trades. Bye-bye.